Hello everyone! Videos like the one you just saw are going viral on Instagram and TikTok. They can even boost your followers and likes drastically. Okay, let's take a look at an example first. How about it? It's really cute, right? So, in this video, I'm going to try to create a video of a cute baby dancing. But before we continue, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss the latest updates from Technogenius. First, let's screenshot the image so we can create a prompt for it in ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT, then upload the screenshot. Then write a command like this. Please create a prompt for me to create the same image as the one I uploaded. Only change the clothes to something else but still look cute. Once done, copy the prompt. There are several AI tools you can use to generate images, but here I'm using Piclumen because the results are so cute and it's free. Open Piclumen.com in your browser. Log in with your Gmail account. Then enter the prompt you received from ChatGPT, click Generate, and wait for the results. Once they appear, just choose the image you think best, then download the result. The next step is to need a reference video so that the cute baby image can move like in the viral video. So I'll download the reference video first. It's super easy. Google Instagram downloader, then copy the link of the video you want and paste it into the downloader's website. Click download, and voila, here, I have the video. The tool I used to make that cute baby image move was Wan Animate because besides being free, the results are also really cool. Search for Create Wan, then open the site. Log in with your email. There's also a subscription option if you want additional features. Next, change the video menu to Avatar, and the speech-to-video section to character swap. Then insert the reference video here, and upload the generated image next to it. Click Generate, and wait for the results. And boom, here's the result. Okay, That's it for our video this time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.